morning, everybody, and welcome back to Spectrum News 1. You know, we are really looking at the possibility of a rare event this weekend, and that rare event would be a dry weekend. And if that happens, it would be just the 10th dry weekend we have seen all year long. Now, we have had rain or a trace of rain on a Saturday or a Sunday or both most of the year, and that does include this weekend. So this would be the 10th out of 19 possible dry weekends. It's going to be close because there is the chance for a sprinkle on Sunday. I'll talk about that here in just a moment. But I think you should be able to spend time outside this weekend. If you've got plans with mom on Sunday, I think you'll be okay. Maybe you're well behind on any backyard or gardening you need to do. I think you'll be able to catch up along that at times this weekend. But it's a short-lived break because those rain chances come right back as we get into the early and middle part of next week with a lot of shower activity starting to return to the tri-state. But not today. We will just see plenty of clouds, mid-high level cloudiness because we've got an area of low pressure well to our south near the Gulf Coast, kind of spinning around and throwing clouds in our direction. Now, while we will be dry today, as that circulation of that upper level low broadens out, it's going to try to toss some showers in our direction as we get into tomorrow. But you can see very light, very insignificant. We're talking about sprinkles here for the most part. As we go through our Mother's Day, it would be the exception rather than the rule if we see a sprinkle. And I still think there's a fairly good chance we get through this weekend unscathed and we have a totally dry weekend, at least officially in Bowling Green. Lower 70s today, a lot of that cloud cover keeping us a few degrees below where we should be for this time of the year. You notice here everybody between about 70 and 76, depending on exactly where you're viewing us from. Into the lower 50s we go for our lows with plenty of clouds around by tonight. And you notice the extended forecast, a stray shower certainly possible toward the Tennessee border on Sunday. Much better chance everybody sees rain here Monday and Tuesday. Most likely just showers with a stray rumble of thunder or two. Not expecting severe weather or widespread thunderstorms. Could see a stray storm on Wednesday, but the big story by next week is the warm-up by late week day.
Hope you're having a great